it to you. Lift your eyes to the horizon. Feel the ground steady beneath you. The earth has carried civilization, storms, miracles, and quiet beginnings. And still it rises. And still it endures. And still it offers you the chance to rise with it.